How to fix ChatGPT unable to load your conversations error. Now the first thing you'll need to do is click on the three vertical dots on your browser and then go to the settings. And then you want to click on privacy and security from the left side panel and then go to third party and cookies or third party cookies. And then you want to click on see all site data and permissions. And then you want to look for ChatGPT in this list. You can basically use the search box here to search for ChatGPT. Now all you need to do is simply click on the trash icon next to chatgpt.com, and then you want to click on delete to delete all the cached cookies. Next you want to look for OpenAI in this list, and then do the same for openai.com. Click on the trash icon and delete everything. And then refresh the page where ChatGPT is open and try to load back your conversations and see if that solves the problem. Now, if it's not working, you want to go back to the settings, and this time you will need to click on extensions and then basically go through all the installed extensions on your browser and try disabling them one by one to disable everything. And once you disable them all, you want to basically reload the ChatGPT page and then try to load back your conversation from ChatGPT and see if that solves the problem. And the last solution is to open up a new browser. So for example, Microsoft Edge, and then go to ChatGPT and basically sign in again with your OpenAI or ChatGPT account. And then go to your conversations and click on one of them to try to load your conversations. And this should solve the loading issue. That's pretty much it for this video. Subscribe if you found this helpful, and see you in the next one.